Hi all, here we have a word problem on fencing. Jason is having a problem with rabbits getting into his vegetable garden, so he decides to fence it in. The length of the garden is 4 feet more than 3 times the width. He needs 48 feet of fencing to do the job. Find the length and the width of the garden. So we have length and width. You can assign x and y variables to this or just leave L and W as is and just count them as your variables. Now, what do we know? We are told that the length of the garden is 4 feet more than 3 times the width. So length is equal to 4 feet more, so that's plus 4, 3 times the width, so 3 times the width. And that's our length in terms of width. We are told that he needs 48 feet of fencing, and fencing is the perimeter problem. So let's say this is my rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. So if this is width, so will be this. And if this one is length, so will be this one. And to calculate perimeter, you just add all of the sides, so W plus L plus W plus L. This will give us perimeter, or we can just combine like terms and say 2W plus 2 lengths will give us the perimeter. Now we are actually told what the perimeter is equal to, so we know that 2W plus 2L equals to 48 feet. We can actually solve this equation once we have it in terms of one variable. And they told us what length is in terms of width. So let's just substitute and solve. We have 2W plus 2 length equals to 48. And length is equal to 3W plus 4. Now we distribute, so we have 2W plus, we keep the inside as is, 3W plus 4, distribute the 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 48. So we have 2W plus 6W plus 8 equals to 48. Let's combine like terms. 2 plus 6, we have 8W plus 8 equals to 48. Let's solve for W and do addition first. So minus 8, we get 8W, that's a 0, equals to 48 minus 8 is 40. Out of 8, this cancels and we get W equals to 40 divided by 8 is 5. So this is our width, and length is equal to 3W plus 4. So it equals to 3 times W is equal to 5 plus 4. Length is equal to 3 times 5, 15 plus 4. So length is equal to 19. And this is our solution. That's all.